This one is a shorter knife and it's easy to handle, plus it's nice and flexible to go over the bones of the fish what you're cutting. Now I'm going to start to cut it. Over here, the V part, the top of the head, I'm going to go in. When I'm cutting in there, the top, that's the backbone. Right here. And bring the knife over here and just go over slowly. Okay. Now I'm going to go down. Bring my knife up and go all the way down into the tail. Put my knife there and straight up to the rib cage. And we go down. And there's a rib cage there. Just run your knife down. Careful when you come to the belly part. You don't want to break that piece over there. And just go down a little bit. And there you are. Okay, now I'm going to show you another method. Put your knife in here behind the head. You go straight down into the tail. And over here I'm just going to crack it through the gill. Yeah. Now, this method, they go straight through the bone. So I'm going to cut through the rib cage. A lot of people choose to do it this way because they don't want to go over the rib cage. And it's a lot easier for them, but for me, I'd rather go over the rib cage so you don't have to cut inside the gut cavity. These are the two different ones. This one has got no rib cage on it. It's nice and smooth. On this side, one that requires more work to cut it is the one with the rib cage on. Now I'm going to take the rib cage off. I'm going to break the rib cage there and just slowly go over. And that's your rib cage taken out. This one here is nice and clean and it's straight over the belly. This one here is cut right through and exposes the belly, you know, because the enzymes will start straight away.